Hi! In front of me is Oppo A78 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this Oppo. You need to start by opening an app called Files. Now select Clean at the bottom left corner of it and tap on Clean under Junk Files. Lastly, select Clear in the pop-up and wait. As you can see, after that, storage of my Oppo was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!